Korea's experiences show that a country can be radically transformed in the course of a generation. Is there any explanation for why Africa has not already become a high-income continent?
This is the journey to One Africa.
Excellency Yoon Suk-yeol, President of the Republic of Korea, Excellency Mohammad Ould Ghazouani, President of the Islamic Republic of Mauritania, and Chairperson of the African Union, Moussa Faki, Chair of the African Union Commission, Excellencies, Heads of State and Government, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I thank President Yoon and the government of the Republic of Korea for organizing this summit. This moment was long overdue. Korea and Africa have been relating together positively and productively. Korea is a global pivotal state, and Africa is a pivotal continent. It is only natural for us to draw closer together in the years ahead for many reasons. First, Korea knows the value of sovereignty and independence, as well as the struggle required to achieve accountable and inclusive politics. Those experiences allow us to look at each other eye to eye with mutual respect and admiration. Second, Korea's experiences show that a country can be radically transformed in the course of a generation. Is there any explanation for why Africa has not already become a high-income continent? Africa can go much faster, and there is no better way than focusing on stability, health, education, and technology. All of this is possible, depending on how we address our security and governance challenges. Africa's young people need these opportunities. It is possible. Third, partnerships with Korea have focused on the cutting edge of innovation, helping bring the latest technologies to Rwanda and Africa more quickly. This summit serves to remind us that even more can be done. From artificial intelligence and robotics to small modular nuclear reactors to driving the energy transition with the critical raw materials, Africa and Korea should be working side by side. Africa has much to offer in return, notably by taking advantage of the African Continental Free Trade Area. Connecting with Africa, particularly our very capable young people, will pay dividends for decades to come. Africa will be a central driver of global growth before too long, so long as we do not take our future for granted. We have to keep on the path of partnerships, such as this one between Africa and Korea. In doing so, we may also enhance our cooperation on other matters of mutual concern in the global arena. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, let us work together without delay to implement the joint declaration of the summit and lay the foundation for decades of closer cooperation. I thank you.